So we've done a lot of prep on this area right here, and most of this side is now re-nailed. And it was interesting when we were scraping, we've noticed that the color, there's a yellow, there's kind of a yellowish color, I don't know, maybe right here, that's on top. But then underneath, there's this other color. Maybe you can see it right there. This color right here. And this is the color that we are going with. This is one coat of that color. Maybe you can see it right here better. So that was not planned, but it's a nice coincidence. So I think we have to do more prep on this, and then we can start priming.